Okay, hold on. Break. Okay.
I'm thirsty.
Am I choking?
I bet you can't choke him out.
Why haven't we done this position
This is videotaping.
yet? Hey.
What are you doing?
You look like you're about to have her sit on your face. Speaking of positions, Kayla, have you sat on his face yet?
No.
From this position, look like you were eating her ass out.
Why are you slapping me? No, you don't slap.
I don't.
Oh.
Get off me.
No. No. No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
You didn't twist my nipple.
Why am I sweating? I hate sweating.
You have something black on your butt.
Wait, get that?
It's a hole.
No.
This?
Yeah.
It's a marker.
It's a hole.
It's a hole.
Damn, Brandon, your dick is that small?
It's the shorts. It's going down.
No, do you get it? The hole in her butt. Like, your dick made that? No? Okay.
I didn't even have to touch it to make that hole.
Your dick is that small.
No.
You don't get it?
I got it.
Yeah, you're fucking retarded.